Okay, another method is called measure and transfer method in orthographic projection. So let's see example 1. So we got the same thing, two views here are given to you, and we are going to construct our top view. First, we're going to identify your endpoints here. Extension lines, your points, your endpoints are given numbers. Put the full line here. Make sure they are perpendicular to the vertical full line. Next one here. They cross each other, they're perpendicular to each other. And we're gonna start drawing our line, extension line again, yeah, because we're drawing the top view, so go extend all the way to the top view from each end. All right, so I have my first end and my second end. This time, so we're going to put some labels here. So here is my second full line, and it's my first full line. All right, and this is my edge, and this is my edge, and they cross all together, right? See, and here, okay, and you're gonna draw the distance from the first full line to the end, okay, of your right side view, and that's we call that B, okay. And that's got to be the same from the second full line, all right, to the end. So all I do is I draw this, all right, and recognize this distance, measure this distance. Of course, you need your ruler, and then I would draw the exact same distance all the way up because my top view is on here on this plane. You know, we do the same thing. The first, see, this distance is from point 1 to the first full line. So it should be the same thing because that's your point 1 right here. Yeah, they are the same projection anyway, coming out from the same object. So they have the same dimension, of course. So your second full line and point 1 is here, got to be the same. So that's the distance of A, okay? So I got it by measuring with my ruler. So I got my A, my B, which is the same distance here from this right side projection. This is, of course, your front projection. Then all I have to do is connect that ends, yeah? So this corner and then that corner, and you got your line. Pretty easy, yeah? Different techniques are given you. And then, of course, erase, leave your full lines out. So your top view, your front view, and then your side view. Okay, so that's it for this method.